I rise to sponsor a measure that seeks to establish a tertiary specialty hospital for geriatric care under the direct control and supervision of the Department of Health, the Philippine Geriatric Center. Together with Senators Mark Villar, Lito Lapid, Jinggoy Estrada, Bongo, Loren Legarda, Erwin Tulfo, and Majority Leader Mig Zubiri, we recognize the urgent need to respond to the healthcare challenges of our senior citizens and the rapidly aging population of our country. While we celebrate increased longevity as a sign of progress in health and wellness, hindi po natin maitakailang habang humahaba ang buhay, posibleng dumarami rin ang ating mga karamdaman. High blood, diabetes, arthritis, dementia, at iba pa. Many of our elders suffer quietly, often without access to proper care or support. Sa kasalukuyan, napakakaunti pa lang ng geriatricians, mga doktor na espesyalista sa pangangalaga ng nakatatanda. Wala ring sentro at espesyalistang ospital at programa na nakatuon sa kanila. That is why we need the Philippine Geriatric Center, a specialized hospital that will deliver affordable, quality, people-centered hospital care for senior citizens, promote integrated nationwide geriatric health services in partnership with DOH, LGUs, and other stakeholders, advance research on aging-related diseases, and translate findings into policy and specialized care, provide consultancy and technical guidance to set standards in geriatric care across healthcare and residential facilities, support the creation and maintenance of senior citizens wards in government hospitals, and provide education and training in geriatric care for healthcare professionals, social workers, and community volunteers. Mr. President, this measure is not just about healthcare. It is about honoring our elders, ang ating lolo't lola who raised us, guided us, and kept our families close. It is about ensuring that they live longer, healthier lives with dignity and access to care. Through this bill, we aspire to celebrate old age with care. Para sa ating mga nakatatanda, ang Philippine Geriatric Center is more than a hospital. Ito ay haligi ng isang lipunang tunay na mapagkalinga. Maraming salamat po, Mr. President. Mabuhay ang ating mga senior citizens.